Are you looking for a fall day trip from New York City? This is Holland Ridge Farms, a slice of flower-filled paradise located in Cream Ridge, New Jersey. It's just an hour from both New York City and Philadelphia, and a quick 30-minute drive from where I grew up in New Jersey, so it's one of my favorite activities to do with my mom every fall. Known for its sprawling fields of colorful blooms, it's the perfect spot for a day of you-pick sunflowers. At the farm, you're surrounded by what seems like millions of sunflowers stretched as far as the eye can see. Whether you're here with family, friends, or just to take in nature, these fields offer the perfect backdrop for fun and photos. Over the years, they've built some super fun photo pop-ups.
Christmas card moment.
With the U-Pick experience, you get to hand-pick your own sunflowers to take home, and it's only $1 per stem. And while you're there, don't forget to explore the rest of the farm. They have tractor-pulled hay rides, farm animals, and food trucks. And sadly, the day my tickets, it was pouring rain, despite my weather apps telling me otherwise, so I didn't get the chance to explore like I normally would. A day spent among these cheerful blooms is sure to brighten your spirit and leave you with flowers and memories that last. Please like, share, and subscribe to follow along for more adventures of a New York City girl.